Metal kids, we're back for Blimp Cam Test number 2. I added some lighting at either ends of the track so you can see it a little better. It looks pretty good on the little camera thing, and I've got a pack of GT cars here just for an example. So let's run them around a little bit. All right, everybody, that went pretty good. I think that looks pretty good. Please comment down below and let me know what you think of the changes with the lighting and what have you. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on.